until you're watching me on Awesome TV. Stay simply awesome. ऑसम टीवी मैं हूँ पूजा नवाथे और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी है जो रियल लाइफ में मेरी दोस्त है लेकिन रियल लाइफ में आप सबकी चहेती है, अपने परिवार का दिल का टुकड़ा, अपने दोस्तों के आंखों का तारा। और क्योंकि आज है फ्रेंडशिप डे, मेरे साथ है नीति टेलर मैंने सोचा फ्रेंडशिप डे है तो इस साल इस फ्रेंडशिप डे को स्पेशल नहीं बल्कि एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल करते हैं आपके फैंस के लिए भी और मेरे लिए भी। सो आई एम गोइंग टू डायरेक्टली dive deep down into the world of your friendship, friend circle. Okay. I know you have a very small friend circle, but
जिसमें से guys मुझे बताने दो, Pooja is I count her as my very close friend. I think 3-4 लोग ही है, जिसमें से ये third वाली है, ये second वाली है. So yeah, that's our friendship, and
but they mean the world to you. So
you should tell them.
That is what I'm saying. You know, Niti की बहुत small circle of friends है, लेकिन they mean the world to her. बहुत protective है, बहुत possessive है. But I really want to know, what does friendship mean to you, Niti?
I think friendship for me is happiness. वो जो 3 लोग या 4 लोग आपके पास है, आप उनके साथ अपनी हंसी खुशी गम, I think you can share everything with them. And for me, my friends are my happiness and my everything.
But I've experienced it in real life, you know. She showers lots of love, lots of surprises and gifts. I love it, Niti.
I am a very pampering friend.
She pampers all her friends in a unique way.
And good morning messages also.
Yeah, every day. You know what, Niti has this habit कि वो I think जब वो झलक भी कर रही थी तभी भी she used to make sure she is sending this good morning text to make sure that she is in touch no matter how busy she gets.
Yeah.
You know, talking about the same, when you get too busy, how do you maintain this friendship, you know?
Trust me, when I get so busy, मतलब वो हो जाता है कि you don't have time, and जब your friend is going through something or कुछ ना तो you can't be there for them. तो वो हो जाता है कि ना how do you do this? But I think I'm very good with balancing work and being busy and my friendship, and I think that is what takes me along.
Absolutely. And talking about Bombay,
yeah.
You have a bay in Bombay. Do you remember who you met for the first time when you, you know, came to Bombay? And
so I'll tell you. So guys, this is very weird. So जो मेरी अभी की best friend है, तो वो actually मेरी sister की भी best friend है. So basically,
you share best friends.
We share best friends. We have a common best friend, and it's really amazing. Like imagine, you know, two sisters having a common best friend. It's amazing.
So we are talking about Rakhi.
Yes,
and
Rakhi.
I have a surprise for you.
Don't tell me she's here because अभी मैं लड़ाई कर रही थी तू कहाँ है
तो हमने ये तीसरी चेयर क्यों रखी है? वो क्या लगता है?
You know मुझे बताने की जरूरत है, मैंने notice भी नहीं किया. Oh shit!
Niti is the most भुलक्कड़ person. I must tell you, उसको कुछ भी बताओ और झगड़ा भी होता है वो भूल जाएगी. That's the best thing.
इसलिए मैं सबकी best friend हूँ क्योंकि मैं सब भूल जाती हूँ.
And हमें याद है कि आपके लिए राखी कितनी स्पेशल है और ये फ्रेंडशिप डे सेगमेंट उनके बिना अधूरा होता. तो we have Rakhi with us! Rakhi, super nervous to be on this show. But Rakhi, you know, we love you.
Love you too.
Welcome to Awesome TV, Rakhi and Niti.
Hi.
Yeah. We want to know, like, our fans want to know कि उसके फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचते हैं नीति के बारे में.
I think हम बहुत ही क्रेजी चीजें करते हैं साथ में and it's so much fun. पागलपंती करते मैं और नीति. मेरा बुरा टाइम हो, उसका बुरा टाइम हो, कुछ भी हो, me and her we are thick you know, like so thick, we don't need anyone else sometimes, you know. बहुत अच्छी चीज सोची है फ्रेंडशिप डे गिफ्ट, और मैं बताना चाहूंगी, इट्स नॉट अ सरप्राइज, सॉरी नीति, मैं एक बादाम का पैकेट देना बिकॉज नीति को कुछ याद नहीं रहता. टुडे वी फाइट एंड टुमारो शी फॉरगॉटन. क्या क्यों लड़ाई हुई?
कोई बात नहीं, but before we continue our chit chat, let me tell you guys, we are at Crave.
Yes, we are at Crave.
We are at Crave and I'm craving to have something yummy, delicious.
Guys, this is at Vile Pale and this is Raki's restaurant.
Yeah.
My brother's
And
restaurant.
yes, brother, family mein aaya.
Yeah.
Bhai. Yes,
Yeah.
and so please come and eat here. It's amazing.
तो राकी सजेस्ट यहाँ की क्या स्पेशलिटी है, और हम बहुत भूखे हैं.
One of the best things you should try here is dal makhni puchka. It's very unique. It's a fusion dish. You have these puchkas where you pour dal makhni in it and have it like a chaat, you know. You
Guys,
should try
also
that,
this
yeah.
is the first time I am here.
Yeah?
In this.
और मैं नहीं आ रही थी आज,
और
इसको
branch.
अकेला आने दिया मैंने.
And मेरे को हमेशा से ये खाना था. And even one more thing.
So अभी monsoon special चल रहा है and we have different type of Maggies,
Ooh, we love
fusion
Maggi.
Maggi, so do come here.
और हम एक दिन हमारा Instagram पे भी ग्रुप है, हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, let's go to Crave for Maggi.
Maggi and finally.
And best part is I didn't reply. I was like,
Yeah, but I'm
No, Niti
manifesting.
loves Maggi.
I
No,
love
Niti
Maggi.
loves Maggi.
नहीं, but उसके बाद
सबसे
तो
पहले
हो जाता
नीति ने
है.
आके आई थिंक
हाँ.
बोला उस दिन कि मैगी खानी है मुझे.
Classic Maggi.
Classic Maggi खानी है. And also one more thing I said, if you remember. So when I was after so many years I came back to Bombay अभी recently 2 साल के बाद जब मैं बॉम्बे वापस आई, तो again to start my career, so I remember I was staying in Radisson and Crave was right बाजू में, and every day Rakhi used to meet me like a good friend and get me
छाछ.
I love
Yes.
छाछ. I love
तो
छाछ.
हम छाछ भी ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, हम मैगी ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, और
दाल मखनी
दाल मखनी पुचका.
So imagine the combination is just amazing.
Yeah.
Get the
Wow.
food now.
Get the
Yes.
food we want. तो राखी से जब मुलाकात हुई थी आपकी बॉम्बे में, तब वो आपकी बहन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी, राइट?
हाँ, अभी भी है.
अभी भी
Of
है.
course.
And you know, we miss you, Aditi di.
We miss you.
We love you, Aditi. क्या कुछ यादें जुड़ी है? Initially जब नीति आई थी, I remember you telling me audition के लिए भी आप नीति के साथ गए हो.
Yes. So it was my first ad audition for Docomo, Tata Docomo, जो मैंने नीना के साथ किया था, Leja Girl, जो बहुत famous हुई थी तब. So I remember वो ये मेरे साथ आई थी. We went for the audition. I got selected. And then I went to Malaysia, and then I was shooting there.
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, I was there.
So
हमारी friendship actually took a turning point when my sister got married.
Yeah.
Because we were so sad she's getting married and going to
I got
Africa.
very lonely after Aditi left, you know. So तभी भी at that point of time also Niti was there for me. और उसके लिए भी Aditi का जाना was such a big thing.
Yeah.
कि Aditi जाने के बाद हमारे पास you know और कोई था नहीं, हम like we were
मैं और मेरी
best friend.
Best friend.
So yes.
But क्या बात नहीं? Do you remember हम पहली बारी कहाँ मिले थे?
बादाम के सेट पे.
Yes, correct. But
I don't need बादाम guys.
गुलाम के सेट पे. But do you remember कि मैंने फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू जो किया था वो अंधेरी ईस्ट वाले स्टूडियो में किया था, गुलाम वाले सेट पे नहीं.
अंधेरी ईस्ट.
I remember. Okay, I have to tell you this. Yeah, तभी I actually didn't know नीति टेलर इतनी ज्यादा फेमस है, क्योंकि मैं तभी बॉलीवुड से टीवी में शिफ्ट हुई थी एंड आई वांटेड टू डू दिस वैलेंटाइंस डे सेगमेंट. ओके, तो किसी ने बोला यार नीति और पार्थ समतान के साथ कर लो, बहुत हिट जाएगा.
Okay. Yeah,
रूम डेकोरेट किया था बलून्स के साथ एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड नीति वॉक्स इन एंड पार्थ एंड नीति सेट देयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू, एंड पार्थ इज डूइंग टाइम पास है, और मैं सोच रही हूँ कंटेंट कैसे निकलवाऊं, कंटेंट कैसे, एंड नीति and she got it right, she got the signal, and I think that is where I connected with Niti, कि without saying a word she understood what I was going through, and that's how खाना आ गया मैगी आ गई.
Oh wow. हाँ, फिर और बोलो.
मुझे
अच्छा लगा ये
मुझे तभी से मतलब ऐसा लगा कि नीति knows, you know, she understands the unsaid words at times, and that was special. And then next cut to गुलाम के set पे I was scrolling all this Bollywood celebrity के images on my Instagram page, and Niti just looks at it and she's like, And by the way, Niti is so interested in Bollywood gossip.
Oh my God! मैं पूजा को घर पे बुलाती हूँ ताकि वो मुझे gossip दे.
और हमारे gossip खत्म नहीं होते तो by the way.
I didn't take a sip. I didn't take a sip. Cheers! Happy Friendship Day!
Wow,
It's the best.
it's the best. Crave, आपने मेरी craving पूरी कर दी. I must say. Well, Niti was like, you don't have a photo with me. And I was like, okay, let me take a selfie. और नीति के रूम के बाहर हमने पहली सेल्फी ली थी. उसके बाद I asked नीति कि आपका favorite dish कौन सा, and she was like chicken momos. I was like, I'm a vegetarian, and we always fight over that.
Guys, मेरे जो भी दोस्त है vegetarian. मैं खाली नॉन वेजिटेरियन तो सब वेजिटेरियन ऑर्डर करते हैं.
But do you remember, मैं स्पेशली खुद गई, मैंने चिकन मोमोस खरीदे, मेरे एथिक्स के अगेंस्ट जा गए. Like I am pure vegetarian. Like
Yeah.
but for Niti's love, I got it, and along with that एक फ्रेंडशिप बैंड था.
Yes.
और वहाँ से हमारी
दोस्ती शुरू हुई. Yeah, and it was the best.
And touch wood will go forever.
हमेशा
हमेशा के लिए. And then there's no looking back, but right now we are looking at पानी पूरी. Sorry,
ये राखी यार से बनाते हैं मेरे को.
राखी बताओ, ये है पानी पूरी.
Oh wow.
Wow. Talking about friends and friendship. Good times भी होते हैं, bad times भी होते हैं. There are ups and downs as well.
Yeah.
So, and they say heartbreak से ज़्यादा जब friendship break होते हैं ना, उसका दर्द ज़्यादा होता है.
True.
Have you experienced that ever in life?
Always. I have experienced it so much. That's why I only have 2-3 friends. गिन चुन के, but I have been through really bad friendship and where जैसे she said, अब लोगों पे भरोसा ही नहीं रहता
है ना?
and being too giving and always just being nice and sweet, so they think you can take them for a ride. So मेरे साथ recently भी इसको पता है बहुत कुछ हो रहा है मेरे साथ. People are using me left, right, center, and I'm just like, I called you my friend, you can't do that.
What about the judgments that follows, and then they'll be like, yaar.
Nowadays everybody is judging you. That's why make friends who don't judge you. They like you for who you are. You're crazy, you can be imperfect, you can be do whatever.
Listen, I remember the Goa scene.
That boy तो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Where we cried.
Guys, मेरे birthday के दिन.
Okay, रोना चाहिए था किसी और को और रो रहे थे सबके सब.
Oh my God.
Started with me. ये तो फूट की जो रोई मैं.
किसके लिए?
Mad,
Oh
she's
God.
mad. किसी के लिए भी रोती है.
That's so emotional. किसी के लिए भी okay. But I saw her crying and suddenly मुझे क्या होता?
Then चांदनी लिख रहे. And then जिसको रोना था. She is like, guys.
मेरे को रोना था बट रोना नहीं आ रहा, तीनों रोए जा रहे.
और राखी, नीति के बारे में कुछ अच्छी चीजें बताओ और बुरी चीजें आप बता सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं.
बुरी चीजें नहीं बतानी यार, ऑलरेडी हम लड़ चुके हैं.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm eating a word.
What is the most annoying thing about Niti?
वो भूल जाती है यार, बस that's the only thing that annoys me. पर actually that's the best thing, to be honest. मैं कुछ भी बोल दूं, अगर थोड़ा कुछ ऊंचे आवाज में भी हो गया, she's forgotten in 5 minutes. उसको याद नहीं रहती चीजें. That's the best thing.
But I really want to know, what is the deal breaker for you when it comes to friendship?
Don't use me. Don't use me.
Yeah, because that's happened a lot.
That's happened recently a lot with me. Like that's what I'm saying कि एक बार ही हुआ है, 2 बार ही हुआ है, 3 बार ही हुआ है, और फिर चौथी बार जब मेरे आंखों के सामने तुम कुछ कर रहे हो और फिर वापस तुम कुछ कर रहे हो, don't expect me to be nice to you. Don't.
And about Parth and you also, friendship के बारे में भी बहुत कुछ बातें आई. अभी recently पार्टी में भी आप मिले थे.
Yes.
So your fans are always curious to know about your friendship with Parth Samthaan.
So my friendship with Parth Samthaan is sweet. I would say that. I will not say he's my best buddy and we talk every day and this and that. No. But also I am one person. Like I saw his Netflix series. I was the one who messaged him. Like I love watching reality shows. And that was a reality show. I messaged him. I was like, listen, I loved you in the series. You were so good, and I hate that guy who was mean to you. That was really bad. I said all that, and that is honesty. That is me, and I will always appreciate people's like. Parth is one person जो मुझे भेजता नहीं है कि मेरा गाना आ गया ये वाला. मैं दिल से करती हूँ, and that is me.
Right.
So I have pure, like good, good emotions for him and good feeling for him, and I always wish the best for him, and I always tell him that I wish you do awesome, and whatever you wish for, you should always do that.
जाने से पहले आपके फैंस दोस्तों को फ्रेंडशिप डे के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि be with the ones that love you, be with the ones who are with you, and एक ही जिंदगी है, enjoy it and make the most of it. Show your love to your dear and near ones. It's very very important because life इतनी छोटी है, कुछ भी हो सकता है कभी भी. So make sure you make the most of your time. And happy Friendship Day to all of you. Enjoy it and go out with your friends and get drunk.
राखी?
मेरे लिए तो फ्रेंडशिप नीति है फिलहाल. So
Oh,
yeah.
oh my god, fuck
Roll
it.
Tissue भी
Ma'am,
भी
you
होने
are-
वाले
Acting देखो.
Pooja should be doing the TV.
I swear, जब भी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे हुआ है, जब कोई नहीं था, I've lost so many friends. She was always there, always. Even if she's not in Bombay, she was there. So yeah, for me, friendship is Niti. That's why we are in a combo pack all the time.
Yeah, I enjoyed having this deep friendship day conversation with you two. It was amazing. It was nice.
Wait. What is friendship for you?
Yeah.
I believe my friends are my family because मुंबई में 13 साल से मैं अकेली रहती हूँ, बट कभी क्योंकि नीति राखी जैसे दोस्त आसपास है, मुझे कभी अकेला महसूस नहीं होता है. जब भी मन करे तब मैं आई थिंक फैमिली जैसे अब बन ही गए हैं सब, तो मेरे पास friends are family for me.
And also, this is especially for the people who stay without their family
Yeah.
in a different city. For them,
Yeah.
friendship holds another level, like importance to them.
True.
Like, it is so good because उनके लिए यही family है.
Cherish your friendships and friends in life. Happy Friendships Day.
Happy Friendship Day.
Day, guys. Thank you. Stay
Thank
simply
you.
awesome.
Simply awesome.